Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with us how to end monitoring spirit, how to blind witches and wizards, how to stop any kind of demonic attack that is after your life. To begin, you are going to be needing a lemon. Yes, just get any kind of lemon. This is the native lemon, so you can get the agric one, any one that is available to you. Please get it. Another thing you're going to get is Fanta, a bottle of Fanta. Okay, then the third thing you're going to get is your cloves. We all know what cloves looks like. Okay, so you're going to get your cloves. This is how the cloves looks like. These are the three ingredients you're going to be needing. Then something to write, a biro or a marker. So what you need to do first is to get your lime. When you get this lime, use salt water to wash it. Get a little salt, put it in a cup and a bowl, wash the lime very well and allow it to dry. You can use something to dry it off or you allow it to dry. After drying, you are going to get a biro or a marker. Write your name. This is the head of the lemon. Write your name this way, sideways. Okay? Yes. So you're going to write your name. My name is Ugochi Uchoma. So I'm going to go ahead and write my name. Ugochi Uchoma. Write your name 7 times on the lime, on the lemon rather. Okay, if you cannot write with the biro, maybe because the lime is not straight, the lemon is not straight, you can use the marker. Okay, but if you can use biro, go ahead and use it. So after writing your name 7 times, you are going to divide this lime into 2 equal halves. When you divide it into 2 equal halves, you will notice that it's going to cut your names into 2. That is why I say you should write this way. Okay, it's going to cut your name into 2. What that means is they will not be able to see you. They will not be able to locate wherever you are. You are using this to cut whatever they are using to monitor you. You are using it to divide their attention from getting to you. That is what it simply means. So when you divide it into 2 equal halves, take 1 half of it, add it in a bucket of water, add some Fanta into it, then take 21 cloves, grind it and pour it inside that water. Use it to take your bath like that. Do not sieve it out. Go ahead and bathe with it. Use it in the morning, use it in the evening. As you're using it, begin to pray. Tell God to remove the eyes of your enemies, that God should blind their eyes permanently from accessing you. Any mirror they are using to see you, anything they are using to monitor you, are they using flies? Are they using animals to monitor you? That starting from today, those flies will not be able to fly again to follow you wherever you are going to. Those wall geckos will not be able to locate your ceiling. Those lizards will not be able to locate your compound. Those birds they are using, they will not be able to identify you again. There are people, when they are walking on the road, you will notice there is a particular bird following you, or flies always hovering all over your head. Even when you are with crowd, the flies will be there only on your head. After doing this, you will never experience such terrible monitoring spirit again. And once you are being monitored, believe me, nothing good will happen to you. Before anything good happens, they have seen it in their demonic kingdom. They will go ahead and block it from coming. There are people that their marriage will be fixed. All of a sudden, stories will emerge and the marriage will not hold because they have seen everything you are preparing and they know that you getting married to that particular woman or that particular man will change your status, will elevate your status, will make you to be a better person. They will go ahead and stop you from getting married to that person. Sometimes when you want to travel out of the country, they know that when you get there, you'll be able to find something doing, you'll be able to make money, you are going to get greener pasture. What will they do? They will make sure your visa is being denied. If you succeed in getting your visa, to get work permit in that country will be a living hell. Even when you are working, They will make sure you are always sacked. You get into trouble on daily basis. That is why some people, when they work highest 3 months, they will be fired without any reason, because you are being monitored. They don't want you to make a living from whatever you are doing. So by the time you work for 3 months, you get sacked. You wait for another 3 months before you get another job. Whatever savings you have saved previously, you will squander it and start life afresh. Every time you are starting life afresh, these are the plans of the enemies, and some people's own is happening live. Some people's own is they will make sure you don't have children. And what would they gain? So that it will either lead to divorce, separation, or maltreatment. Your partner will no longer show interest in you because you're unable to have children. Before you know it, it will cause separation and divorce. And once you go and marry somebody that is not up to your standard, or the kind of person they want you to marry, you will see yourself having plenty children for the person. The reason is because they know that if you have children for that rich man, he will change your status. That is why they don't want you to have a stay in that family. So if you are being monitored by the grace of God, when you do this, you'll be totally free. Another way, another method they use in monitoring you is through wall geckos. You will see in your house, anytime you are making calls, you will notice there is a wall gecko monitoring you or listening to whatever you're saying. Once you end that call, the wall gecko will disappear. Once anything good wants to come to your house, the wall gecko will appear, and once it appears, that thing will never happen again. That is why there is a saying that they say the walls have ears. Yes, the walls have ears. That is why you need to be careful whatever you're saying, wherever you're saying. When you're making calls, you have to be careful. Some people's zone is they monitor you through animals like cats. Anytime you are pregnant, you will have a dream of cats fighting with the cat, fighting with the snake. Before you know it, you will miscarry the baby, and that is the end of it. At times, you will have a dream of dogs trying to bite you or dogs biting you. In real life, that particular place will be paining you. Before you know it, it will become something else. That particular leg will keep paining you. You will not have any solution to it. You go to the hospital, you will tell the doctors in the dream something beat me, and I don't know. The doctors will not even understand what you're saying because they don't believe in black magic. They will only give you pain relief. But within you, you know you are not feeling fine. These are methods witches operate. Monitoring spirits they will use so many things to monitor you to make sure nothing good happens to your life. So by the time you do this, at least for 7 days, by the special grace of God, you'll be delivered from this demonic attack, from monitoring spirits, and from witches and wizards. Try this recipe, and please don't forget to share your testimony in the comment section or on my WhatsApp number. I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.